Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Etiforex from FX Major. I am the Major. Okay, so they call me Major of Boom and Crash. Yeah, because I'm the Major. When it comes to boom and crash, I catch them. I catch them. Like, okay, you can see this here. So I've been using this strategy to catch all the spikes here. Yeah, I'm using this strategy to catch even like these two places you see here. I was still holding these two positions here. I would have closed with profits. Even here the same thing, but then I didn't want to risk much. You can see we use 0.5 each position. Yeah, so you can see this. It's nothing like stacking positions. I open like one or two positions at most on all the pace, all these signals. Okay, getting from this strategy. Okay, so this strategy is amazing. Trust me, it's very simple. It's a simple strategy. Okay, once you see your settings, you place your settings. Then after your settings, what you need to do is just for you to wait for all conditions to be made. Trust me, for all conditions to be made. This is very simple. I'm giving out this VIP strategy for free. For free. Okay. I'm giving out this strategy for free, guys. If you are new on our channel, kindly subscribe, leave a comment, and join my free Telegram channel. Okay, join my free Telegram channel. Right now, I'm running a special discount offer, which we are doing. You can join my VIP for um, as low as $30 lifetime. You can have access to my VIP channel, lifetime access to my VIP channel for just $30. With just $30, you can have lifetime free access. Then if you can pay $80, you can also earn mentorship. I can also mentor you, teach you how to use this strategy, not just to use this strategy, how to trade the market the right way, how to analyze the market the right way, which is price action. Okay, you guys know you should know this, that I've been advising you guys to make use of price action. Always use price action to trade. So today you can see today here, this is what we've made so far. This is what we made so far, $117. Okay, and if I open other accounts, real accounts, you see we are making good profits. Okay, we are making good profits, right? So this is real accounts. Okay, I'm not joking here. You see we are making good profits. So I use this strategy to catch all the spikes. Oh, you can see the spike happen again here at this level. So quickly on the settings here, the settings here. Then now, once you before I drop the settings, once you see for boom, you need to see price at level 5 or level 10 for you to buy. Okay, level 5 or level 10 for a buy, on boom. Okay, now this is it. You must be very smart. When you see both RSI, Chimoku, and MA at this level 5 here, yeah, what you need to do next is for you to open, like, okay, you might open, if you want to open two or one lot size, you can open 0.5 at this level, the first level, that first touch here. Be, make sure that your MA, sorry, make sure that your RSI has touched this line. Your RSI must touch this line. Let me check on boom. Sorry. Yeah, this is boom 1000. Make sure that your RSI has touched this line here. The sorry. Yeah, make sure that your RSI has touched level 10. Your RSI, the rate indicator here, this rate indicator, it must touch this level 10 here for buy, for boom and crash. So if you go back, you see what has been happening. Price at this level here, spike happens. So like I said, if you're planning to open one lot size, you can open 0.5 at this level here. Then if it doesn't spike, you open the second 0.5 here, which makes it one lot size. Then you've made your profit. Trust me, there's no how it will not spike. If you go back, you see here, you open at this level, the spike there. You open at this level, do not spike. The second one here is spiked at that level. Same thing here. If you didn't spike at the first touch, the second touch it must spike. Okay. The same thing here. If you didn't touch on this the first spike or the first touch here, there was no spike there. Definitely there will be a spike here. Okay. So you can see here the same thing, the same thing. This is my VIP strategy. This is my VIP strategy. I don't supposed to give out this strategy for free. But then, you guys are showing me so much love by watching my videos. You like and you share my videos. That's why I'm giving out this strategy for free. It's my VIP strategy. Okay. This is my VIP strategy. This spike here. Okay. Now let's quickly check. Okay, let's check crash 1000 as well. Okay, so you see what happened here at this level here. You see when price got to this level, which is this level here, level 90, the spike happened immediately. That's why I said if you're planning to open one lot size, open 0.5 at this level here, and this remaining 0.5, if the spike did not happen around the first touch here, the second touch here, spike gonna happen. Okay, it's gonna spike. The same thing here. You see price touched this level here, spike started happening. Yeah, same thing here. After the second touch, spike. Yeah, spike, spike everywhere, everywhere. This I love this strategy. I love this strategy so much. Spike happens. Now let's quickly check the settings. I have so many indicators on this chart, but trust me, these MAs here are not really important. Okay, but from this indicator window one, you can see we have RSI. We have RSI period is 14, apply to close, and the pixel here 90, 10, 95, 5. Okay, done. Then you go back again, you bring moving average here 100, moving average 100, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, pixel you can use to any pixel you want to use, and there are no levels. Choose your color, click on done. You go back again, and you bring Ichimoku. You have here Ichimoku, here is 1, the second space is 2, the third space is 59, 52, sorry, it's 52, and if this field here, you don't click here, leave it open, empty. Okay, that's it. Then make up yeah, three pixel, sorry, it's 3 pixel there, and the first place there you have black wave, you have black color there. That's because I'm using white background. My MT5 is a white background, so if you're using black background, make sure that you use white color here. This color here should be white. Okay, then the rest are all white because I'm using white background, so that it will not be visible on my chart. Okay, then you go back and click on done. Because there are no levels, you click on done. That's it. If you still want to add the MA you're seeing here, the reason I added this MA is because of now it helps me tell me, okay, it helps me when you can see here when uh price started going down below this, the MA, all those MA, you see it was spiking down. Yeah, so it tells me that's it's gonna happen. When the spike comes, it's gonna happen more and more. It's gonna spike more and more. That's why I added those. You can see here we have all the MA above on the main chart. We have all the MA above the price, and you see spike happening, yeah, down to this level. Okay, so here another example here. We have all the MA above this current price. After the first spike, you can see spikes going down all the way from here to this level here. Okay, so now if I see my MA, all those MA on the main chart above the current price, then it spikes. I know that the spike's gonna happen over and over. It's gonna spike like 2, 3, 4 times. That I can still hold my trade. Okay, down. Yeah. So this strategy is very powerful, guys. But make sure that you practice this strategy on your demo accounts first. On your demo accounts first. Then after that, you after that you yeah, on your demo accounts, before going to before you apply and start trading on real accounts. Okay. And also we use this strategy to catch spikes only. Yeah, only to catch spikes on boom and crash. Boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500. I've not tried this strategy on the boom 300 and crash 300. Okay, so I cannot guarantee you that because those two pairs are too volatile. Now we use the third zoom level. Like you guys like asking me the question. Okay, we use the third zoom level to catch spikes with this strategy. Okay, this is this is the first zoom level, this is the second, and this is the third. So we use the third zoom level to catch spikes. Okay, with this strategy. Okay, and also you need to always take be sure you know the market direction. Okay, knowing the market direction is very important. You know, if it's a downtrend like it is here, see you can it has started going down. Now if the price move to this level here on 1 minute time frame, price move to this level here on 1 minute time frame, you can start selling because it shows that it's going to sell. Do you understand? So we use 1 minute time frame to trade this strategy. We use it to catch spikes, and we use zoom level 3, and make sure that you know your market direction before using this strategy. Okay. So that's it. Very simple. Make sure you join my Telegram channel to see what we are doing. You can also take advantage of these discounts I'm doing right away. The $30 lifetime discounts and $40 for mentorship and signal. Okay. So join my Telegram free Telegram channel. Chat me up. I'll drop my contacts there. You chat me up and let's make money. Thank you.